Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to continue from where we stopped on the campaign we did Facebook app install, right? So as you can see, the campaign is active and it's running. So all issues were fixed and the campaign has been approved and is running. So now we want to talk about the cost, okay? We want to talk about Facebook app install ad cost, right? So a lot of people are asking how much does Facebook charge per app install cost? And you see some figures like 0.30 cent down to $3, blah blah blah, and all those things. Now, I want to tell you that these figures are not fixed, they are not accurate, right? So now what I have observed within a short period of time and from other experiences I've had running Facebook ads is that the more time you spend on running this ad, the more your cost reduces, right? So initially, when this campaign started, I was charged 105 naira per install, okay? 105 naira per install. Then the next day, it reduced way down to 100 and let's say 85 naira, then fall down to 75 naira. And I realized that the way the Facebook algorithm works is this. It's the initial time that the campaign starts, it's trying to identify the right audience, the right people. The more people that engages with that ads, the more your campaign ad spend reduces. But if lesser people engage with the ad, it increases your ad spend. So look at it from this way. Let's assume that you're trying to get a particular product in the market and that product is scarce, okay? That would push the cost of that product up. But if that product is everywhere you branch in the market, every corner of the market you see it, it will further help in driving the cost down because there's competition, right? There's varieties, there's option and all that. So that's the same way I see that this algorithm operates, right? So if Facebook is easily finding people that are engaging with your ad spend per app install will reduce. But if they are finding it difficult to get people to see that ad that are engaging with that ad, it furthermore increases your ad spend forward. So that's why if you optimize your ad and bring down your target so low that you're targeting a very specific kind of person, right? A very specific kind of people and all that. That will further help in increasing that will increase your ad spend. So, but if you're doing a broad audience, something that reaches out to everybody and everybody can engage with and all that, it further helps in reducing your ad spend. Okay. So now let's do something. This is today. Today is just starting. He said pay mobile app install 116. This is for today, 717 impression. And I think the reason why it's doing this is because my budget, my fund is going low. I'm going to check that and fix that. So now today so far is 12. So let's check yesterday. Yesterday was 22, right? Then let's update and see what we have yesterday. So as you can see, it was 91 naira per app install here, and I had 33 app install here yesterday, and 2,006 something impression. So let's go day before yesterday, 21, and see what we had there. So as you can see, 63 naira, and it was going down, and I had 49 install here. Okay, then let's check on the 20th. So as you can see on the 86 naira and 36 app install. And I think this campaign started on the 19th or 20th. Let me see 19th if there's anything. Let's see if we had anything on the 19th. Okay, there's nothing on the 19th. So basically it started on the 20th, right? Okay, so let's go back to the 20th. You can see here. So your Facebook app install cost is not fixed. And like I said, these are one of the things that affects it. Okay. So that'll be all for this particular video on the cost. I told you guys that we're also going to do Google Ads, and we've not done that yet. Once we start doing that, we're going to update you. We're trying to progress with some development on the app while we're doing this. So as time goes, we're going to increase our ad spend to 10,000 naira per day. Okay. Now, the other thing I'm also going to show to you in the next video is going to be the problem with ad limit and all those other issues. So we had an issue on the app from the Google Ad Mob, and Google has given us a few days to fix it, or else they are going to restrict their account or restrict the AdMob account or whatever. I'm going to show you guys the problem we had and the solution to it. So I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.